Hi guys, so today I am still holding the camera because my friend is at home and I don't know if I'm going there today or not. So let's get back to the daily schedule. I have been playing and I haven't been YouTubing for a very long time. But last night I made a video and I got my first 2 subscribers. So if YouTube subscribers are anybody who likes me, I hope you like this one because I don't really like liking on my own videos. So I just wanted to make this video for my 2 subscribers. And if there's any more who want to subscribe to me, I hope you want to, because I only have 2 and it's not a problem, but I just really want more. So I hope you have a lovely day. And for my 2 subscribers, I've wanted to tell you this, on every Friday, I'm going to pick a winner, but it's not going to, be a winner. I won't give you anything. I'm sorry, but it will be okay. Okay. So, I hope you have a lovely lazy Sunday, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!